Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel travelav. I am Vicky from India. Pleasure to meet you all. In this video series, we are taking you an exciting journey across the USA, flying between the major cities, checking out cool hotels, hopping on the city bus tours, and visiting iconic sightseeing spots along the way. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel. Don't miss a moment of this video, it's about to get really exciting. In my previous episodes of USA series, I traveled by bus to New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Washington DC and Niagara Falls and enjoying guided city tour at each place. If you missed those episodes of series, then click the I button to catch them first.
बैठे आप आगे बैठे ख्याल रखना।
In this episode, we are heading towards San Francisco Marriott Marquis Hotel, which is 24 km away from SFO Airport. San Francisco Marriott Marquis located at 780 Mission Street, San Francisco, California 94103.
Ready?
Yeah, ready.
आपको पानी पीने हैं?
It's about a 35-minute drive. It depends on traffic condition. San Francisco is small but it's stunning. It just covers 121 square kilometers. New York is more than 6 times bigger and Delhi is over 12 times larger. That's why San Francisco is perfect for exploring, walking, capturing cinematic travel moments. You can see the continuous movement of taxis, Uber rides, buses, and pedestrians give a true feel of San Francisco fast-paced lifestyle. The journey from airport to hotel is about to end. We have finally reached the hotel. The outside area of the hotel is vibrant, modern, and full of energy. Just step away, you will find popular attractions, shopping centers, restaurants, cafes, and public transport access, making this location extremely convenient for tourists.
Hello. Any assistance with your bags?
Yeah, suitcase. Now we are walking towards the revolving doors, the main entrance of the hotel, and heading to the lobby. The entrance feels grand, clean, and very secure. You can already sense the luxury here. Now we are walking inside the lobby, heading to the reception desk to check in. Let's see if they will ask for any holding amount or deposit at the counter.
Good afternoon. How can I help you guys?
My booking in the name of Vikas. Another booking is in the name of.
Can I see your passport, please?
Passport.
Policy of the hotel. We need a credit card.
So my old amount is blocked. My limit is over. Then what can I do?
So if you do, we ask for a cash of $200. So it's $100 per night. So we will return you cash when you check out on the 15th.
On screen, you can check balance due is minus 200. And please issue the kits also for 2 days.
What's that?
3 kits which I told you, na? Shaving kit, dental kit, and vanity kit for 3 days. 2 days.
When you get to the room, you dial 0 and then you request for that.
Then they will come and provide me. Now I'm just reached to elevator area.
It's 15 anyway, so you have to go back down.
The elevator area is spacious and everything is looking modern and clean. I am out of lift now and heading towards my room. The passage area is wide, clean and nicely lit up, giving a calm and comfortable hotel feel. The light is soft, creating a relaxed atmosphere after a long day of travel. Stepping inside the room, the first impression instantly stand out. Clean, simple, well organized and surprisingly spacious. The bathroom looks modern with a glass enclosed standing shower, a toilet and a sink area. On immediate left, I can see a wardrobe with ironing board and iron and safe. For a standard room, the prices here usually start from $180 per night, which is approximately Rs 15,000 in Indian currency, depends on the season and room type. Room amenities typically include king-size bed, coffee tea maker, flat screen TV, a work desk with chair, sofa, blackout curtains, It's time to wrap up this video, but stay tuned. In the next video, we will visit an Indian restaurant, North India restaurant, where we will enjoy North Indian cuisine. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more travel vlogs and updates.